What are the 4 best things that you can do to improve your credit score in 2025? Hi guys, my name is Andrew Augustiniak from the Augustiniak Lending Team, and I'm going to be talking about credit score today because let's be honest, that's something that unfortunately controls our life, even though it shouldn't. Don't get me wrong, you should not live your life based around your credit score, but unfortunately it's something that we all have in our everyday life, and it affects what we can buy, what interest rates we get, if we get a car, if we can get a house, if we're paying $2,000 a month versus $2,500 a month. And on top of that, there's so many different scoring models, and that's something that people don't understand. In the mortgage world, we use a certain type of credit scoring model compared to maybe what you may pull on your banking website or what the car dealer may pull. So it's important to know that there are different scoring models out there. Now, when it comes to the question of how do I improve my credit score, what are simple things that I can do to improve my credit score? I'm just going to give you 3 to 4 basic tips. Number 1, control your credit card balances. Don't constantly max them out. Don't constantly keep them at 0. That actually doesn't build credit as fast as well, but just control those balances, okay? Keeping it to a 10 to 20% ratio, preferably under 30% of that credit limit, is going to be optimal, but controlling them is key. Number 2, understanding the difference between your statement date and when your balance is due, and when your actual credit card is reporting to credit. So sometimes people may wait to pay their credit card statement to at a certain date, thinking that, okay, I'm gonna pay it off before this date. But you have to understand when it actually reports to the credit bureaus. So what if the date that you're paying is after the credit bureau reporting date? Then you are not maximizing your credit score, okay? Number 3 is pay your bills on